Hello guys, this is a question on set. In this question, we have in a class of 30 students, every student has at least a pen. If 25 students have blue pens and 20 students have black pens, how many students have pens of both colors? Pens of both colors. Now the solution. First, we draw a Venn diagram. Okay, according to this question, we have two categories of students. First, students that have blue pen, we call them B. Then for students that have black pen, let's call them L. Then we have the universal set, which is the total number of students in a class of 30 students. Then your universal set will be equal to 30. If 25 students have blue pens, 25 students, that means the whole of this is 25. But this particular one, this place is sharing, they are sharing it with L. So what I'm going to do is, okay, what is the question? The question is how many students have pens of both colors. That means this place, let's call this X, B intersection L. So this place will be, we have 25 students, 25 minus X, and this will be what? 20 minus X. So now the universal set, which is 30, will be equal to the whole of this plus the whole of this. So what are we going to do? We have 25 minus X, then plus X, plus 20 minus X. Then this X and this X will go. 25 plus 20 is 45. So we have 30 equal to 45 minus X. Since this X is minus, you take X to this other side. We have minus X to this other side, then we have X. Then this 45 still remains here. You take 30 to this other side. You have minus 30. Then X will be equal to 15.